Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to do an unboxing. I got a new toy, a new drone, a water drone. Yeah, it's the Chasing Mini 2S. And yeah, I didn't even know there was a such thing as a water drone. I was watching another YouTuber, I believe it's called the Hillbilly Files, and I saw the guy playing around with the water drone, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, I need to get one of those. Yeah, so ordered it a few days ago. And all right, so we've got a box within a box. All right, set this down. All right, so the weight of it kind of scares me. It looks like it's something I might not just be throwing in my backpack and taking off with. But I did get the full package, so maybe with everything. This comes with the drone, the the tether line, the backpack. It's got an arm you can attach to it and pick things up underwater. So yeah, that's kind of cool. But yeah, let me open this thing up. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, so here it is, the Gladius Mini S Flash Pack. Alright, more mounts, more adventures. You can also mount a GoPro to the bottom, which I don't know the reason you would do that because it comes, of course, with a camera. But, yeah, let me, okay, I need to open up back here. Where'd my knife go? Oh, cool, okay, everything comes inside the backpack. Yo. Wow. So yeah, if you took the full kit, pretty heavy, like I say. It's not something I'll be able to walk too far with. But, yeah, I think I'll hold on to this box. Oh, and Russ Galerum, if you're watching, I know you're a drone pilot. I'm not sure if you're familiar with this, but yeah. Looks like it's going to be a fun toy. Throw that over there. Alright, cool. So hopefully once I pull out some of the attachments, it's not so heavy. First off, let me just look at this. Oh, alright. Yeah. Alright, so of course, instructions. And, oh, cool. Alright, fancy towel to dry it off. Yeah, I'm going to try to keep this thing in fresh water as much as I can. Alright, here we go, right here. Yeah, so the drone itself's not too bad. But kind of cool protective bag. And bam, here we go. Yeah, like I say, okay, it's a 4K camera. Comes with the 2 lights. And you'll see 2 thrusters, 4 thrusters, 5 thrusters. And I believe this thruster on the back is so you can kind of angle it and go along the floor of the river. And up here, I know this is where you put the SD card. I better read the instructions first before I go digging in. And back here is where you connect the tether line. And I guess this thing floats on its own. But let's see what else is in here. And this must be the tether line. Again, cool little protective bag. Is there? There must be some stuff up top still. Alright, set that there. And this is a 100-meter cable. So you can also purchase a 200-meter, but I think this is going to be okay. Oh yeah, so it can go out, I guess, 100 meters, and it dives to a depth of 350 feet. So I doubt I'll ever be taking it down that far, but all right. So okay, so I think the remote has got to be up here probably. All right. Yeah, there's a couple things. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to clean this off every time I use it. All right, okay, so yeah, a little power cord, a little charging cord, it looks like. More cords to add to my collection. Okay, all right, this might be the last thing. And I'm sure, like I say, I know this is gonna be the remote. Yeah, so here we go. Yeah, just like an air drone. All right, so yeah, you'll put your phone. This thing can hold a tablet as well. So, oh yeah, the little joystick. I'm sure one will be for up and down, one will be for forward and back. These don't come off like most drones, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. Okay, this probably turns the light on. But yeah, I'll play around with it. But okay, HDMI cable. If you want to hook it into a TV or something, but cool. All right, I think. Oh, and last thing I forgot, the little grabber arm, which attaches to the bottom. I guess you take this little plate off. I'll figure it out later. But yeah, all right, here we go. Okay, so yeah, attaches to the bottom, and these little, yeah, well, they open up, of course. You can grab, it's pretty sturdy. You could probably grab a decent bottle, I'm sure. I guess it's good if you drop your sunglasses into the river or something like that. You could go down, scoop them up, you drop a watch or something. But cool. Yeah, so I think this thing is going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to take it out this weekend to the Fredericksburg Rock Quarry. They've got a couple of cars sunk in there. I believe there's a school bus. So yeah, I'm going to drive around, just see what type of footage I can get. But I'm also thinking about visiting the Kaponka, a sunken ship in the Rappahannock River just outside of Tappahannock. The water gets a little brackish right there. You're kind of getting into salt water, but these LED lights are pretty bright, so I think if you're up close, you should get pretty decent footage. I know out at Mallows Bay off the Potomac, they've got some sunken World War I ships. I think that'd be cool. Check that out. And then I'm just going to find out just if I see any old bridges that I know have been taken down. There might be some kind of cool footage under the water, just looking at the remains. Maybe where some mills used to be. Some old wharfs, just to see what remains. Oh, and if anybody knows of any sunken ships or anything interesting to view, preferably in fresh water, let me know. Okay, yeah, so just a little quick video, and this is, like I say, the Chasing Gladius Mini S. Yeah, so I think this thing's going to be a lot of fun. So anyway, guys, see you on the next one.